Winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year, which starts in the month of November and lasts till February. It comes after rainy season. Winter mornings are misty and cold. There is dense fog everywhere. Grounds are covered with snow. Winter clothes. In order to protect ourselves, we wear warm woolen clothes such as sweater, jacket, socks, scarf, cap, and mittens. We also use blankets and quilts to keep ourselves warm. People prefer to stay indoor during the winter season and love hot beverages and relishing hot dishes. During winter, days are shorter and nights are longer. We celebrate Christ Mass in winter.